everyone, and welcome to week 2 of quantitative reasoning. So for this week, you are going to go ahead and do lesson 2. So there's going to be 2A, 2B, 2C. With 2C, there is a project that you guys are going to do. I'll talk about that in just a minute. And then your lesson quiz, which again, you do get unlimited attempts at. At the end of the week, I do ask again that you upload your notes, and this will go in your activity grade. Please don't forget to be completing your preview and practice assignments. Again, the structure of the course, you should be completing your preview, then your lesson, and then your practice. If you have any questions or need any help about this, please just let me know. One thing I do want to note is for 2A, there's going to be a spot that it does talk about student data. So if you're unable to answer that question because we are in the online format, please just put NA, and I'm going to be going in and giving credit for that. If you have any questions throughout the week, again, please do not hesitate to use my email or call me or stop by. I'm more than happy to meet with you guys. We can pop on Zoom or meet in person just to make sure you guys are all set for the week. Again, our due dates are going to be Friday at 11:59. I'm going to quickly put this in student view so we can take a look at your project so you guys all know the expectation for that. So for your project, I'm going to go in a little different just because your announcement is going to post by the time you see this. It'll always be posted Saturday morning. So you can also go through the activities and assignment button to access these as well. So for your Unit 1 project, I'm going to give you a little hint. This picture is going to be super duper important. You'll notice there are some numbers labeled here. And the gist of the project is you're going to be comparing and contrasting, so finding similarities and differences between these two box and whisker plots. And you're going to write me either a formal paper or create a PowerPoint that explains these using the mathematical language that you guys have been learning and supporting your data. I do want to note that the units are in median household income in thousands of dollars. So we gave you guys some items to get started with. So there is a 5-number summary that you guys can fill out. If you're not quite sure what that is, you can meet with me or Google it. And I want you guys to fill this all out, and this should be included to support your work. And also we gave you a little T-chart to help you organize. So again, your project should not be you guys just submitting these. It should be you taking the information from these two tables and writing a paper or creating a PowerPoint. Just making sure that you're supporting your data using mathematical language and correct units. There also is additional information down here that you guys can use to assist in your project. If you'd like a paper copy, you can scroll down here under what to submit and this Unit 1 project directions. I want to note when you click on this, it's going to prompt you to make a copy, and this will go straight into your Google Drive. You do have a free Google Drive with the college, or if you're already logged into your personal one, it'll make a copy there and then you can print from that. Please make sure to look through your rubric so you know exactly what you are getting graded on. Again, you need to turn in those tables, and I'm going to look through to make sure they are correct and that you have all the information, you're supporting using mathematical language, and you are completely comparing and contrasting. So you are taking a look to say what is similar, what is different. One of these might have a little bit more than the other, and that is okay. And then, again, just making sure it's neat, it's a logical flow, and submitted on time. So if you have any questions on this project, please reach out. I'm happy to review it with you guys. Oh, and that's your week 1 notes. I just want to note before I end this video, for your homework grades, we are working to get that fixed. So you may have noticed a little bit of a lag between your grades getting updated. We are working with the company on that. So that'll be fixed shortly. All right, guys. Well, I hope you have a really great week too. And if you have any questions, reach out.